Hold on. It's a heat gun, 122 degrees low, all the way up to 1202 Fahrenheit degrees high. For RC hobbies, for taking paint, peeling wood, whatever you need to heat up and do solder. We have heat shrink, an RC car. We're going to show you and demonstrate on wire what the heat gun can do. But before we do that, let's show you what you get inside the box and how it nicely is presented to you. Wrapped up, here's your heat gun. It's a nice large handheld heat gun with your control buttons on the side and the back of the unit with a nice vent area all around the nozzles. It has a hook to hang up, 3 feet or more of cable, an instruction guide to go over at your leisure, and the nozzles of your choice to deflect heat. 4 nozzles, angled, small, wide, and wide mouth nozzle. Grab the nozzle of your choice, place on, lock into place. On the back of the heat gun is information of visuals of what you. On the side of the heat gun is LEDs of the temperature ranges you are going for by increase and decrease, and the on and off switch. Turning on the heat gun. As we dim the lights and show again, turning on, acknowledgement of heat. To decrease the temperature of the heat gun, simply decrease by pressing the negative and increasing of the positive. Shutting down the heat gun, the fan stays on for a number of seconds to cool down. In the demonstration, we're going to bend some pipe, PVC, by heating up, increase the speed as needed. Softening up the pipe is as easy as going over solder joints, paint, and more. Gun can be stood up on its edge with wiring to join. Within seconds, heat shrunk. Hold on 1800 watt up to 1202 Fahrenheit in visual information of what you are looking for in solder, pipes, paint, and more, with an LED indicator of the temperature sensor, an increase and decrease level, an on and off, and a cooling down fan. I hope you enjoy your heat gun, and thank you for viewing.